Well, good morning, y'all. We are out here for the KBA championship on Lake Ouachita. And I don't fish with the KBA guys a ton, mainly because a lot of the lakes that they choose are just a little bit too far south for me, a little bit too far away. But I like to try to fish with them at least a few times a year. And I fished 3 times with them this year and qualified for their championship. So we're out here on Ouachita, and this is going to be also a practice day for the state championship coming up. So just going to go out here today and just see what we can do. Just go fishing, and whatever happens, happens. So let's see what we can do. There we go. There we go. That's a solid one. No. No. Dang it. Dang it. Son of a gun. Little dude. Probably won't help that much. There we go. There we go. There we go, baby. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. All right, that's going to help us out there. Solid 18 incher. Yes, sir. Take that. Oh, man. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in here. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah, you were not coming off, were you? No, sir. Oh, there we go, babe. There we go, babe. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go, baby. Come on. Stay on. Stay on, baby. Stay on. Stay on. Okay. All right. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. That's the one right there, baby. Get in here. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, and I broke my rod. Are you serious? Oh my God. Okay. Well, shoot. That sucks. That sucks. But I needed this fish, so I guess that's okay. Oh, that sucks. That's like a $300 rod. Oh, man. Okay. That's all right. Okay. That's okay. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Stay on. Stay on, baby. Stay on, baby. Get in here. Oh my God, I broke that rod too. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Oh. What is going on today? I broke 2 rods. Are you serious? I think it's going to be worth it though. If we win the whole thing, it's going to be worth it. Okay. Okay. We finally got one, y'all. We took home that first place and we took home the big bass. Oh, I'm so pumped right now. Oh, you know, I've been at this for about 2 years now, and I've had some tournaments where I've done well and have come close. You know, I had that 3rd place finish earlier this year, but to finally take home the whole thing, man, it's awesome. It is awesome. You know, and to do it in, you know, the KBA championship, you know, like that was huge as well. Like what a first tournament to win. So yeah, it was just so cool. You know, I went out there and I just went fishing, you know, like I didn't have any electronics, you know, my depth finder, my transducer went out on me, and so I didn't have that. I actually went to a spot on Lake Ouachita that I'd never been to before, so I had no practice, nothing. I just went out there and just kind of went with my gut. I did pick up a little tidbit along the way that helped me. So basically my plan when I went out there was to throw a lot of top water, you know, with it being September. You know, I figured they'd be chasing bait fish pretty well. The big thing I did though was when I was throwing that buzz bait, which is what I threw all day long, I threw a downsized buzz bait, and the reason being is that those shad are really small this time of year, like maybe 2.5 inches. So I threw a really small buzz bait with a small minnow style trailer on the back of it. So that was really good. And then the tidbit I picked up while I was out there that I focused on was the bigger bass were all in isolated cover. So any isolated, you know, brush pile, tree, log, whatever, that was isolated, like that's just where the bigger ones were at. So I figured that out along the way, and so that really helped me as well. So but all in all, I mean, just great tournament, got that win. Won $750, which was, I mean, you can't beat that. So yeah, overall just a great one, you know. So I'm just you know, last event of the year, so I won't have any regular season events until probably about February. But you know, I'll have a couple smaller tournaments that we do like Thanksgiving weekend. We do on Super Bowl Sunday, so I'll hit those as well. But in between then, you know, I'll try to post a few videos, just going out and maybe scouting a lake or just doing some fun fishing. So until then, y'all be good.